Nikurumirira wongerereku wa uhaguku wa ugitiri mwena wa Mucatha Banana kuria riu andu 8 makuite thutha wa guthecwo na tuhiu. Undu uria utumite atongoria kuma mwena uyu matongoretio ni mubunge wa Kiambaa Paul Koinange kumenereria ruhonge rwa ugitiri akiuga ni rugondereire wira-ini waruo.
We are serious about this because we know some similar issues have happened in areas like Kawangware and Mathare and Kayole. We will not allow it to happen in Kiambaa. We want to live peacefully here in Kiambaa, so whoever is doing that, they should stop and go where they belong. We don't want to have them here in Kiambaa. We want to stay in peace.
Thengia wa gukorwo ciiko ici no irathie na mbere guku muthenya wa ira hwaini mutumia umwe agithecwo na kahiu, borithi irauga no ireka uthuthuria.
We are on it. We are investigating. Yeah. And we've gotten leads.
Kuringana na aikari gutire kindu ona kimwe ito icio ciaga kuma kuri andu aria ciatharikira, undu uria utumite makorwo na guoya mwingi makiuma mawira-ini mao.
Huyu wetu ndiye alikuwa wa kwanza kudugwa na kuuawa, lakini nyumaye kuna watu wengi sana wameuawa na wengine wako hospitali, kuna wamepona wako nyumbani. Sasa hatuwezi elezea ni nini inaendelea.
Wendi wa aikari a itura riri ni borithi ciike mituki gutigirira ito icio ni ciikio ngono. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.